Meghalaya Aero and Adventure Sports Association kata ke MAASA hakasi ublay kalapan bina bahkan pynlong ya ka Open Paragliding Accuracy Championship Asian League kaban sedang nadu ka new tarik hadu ka shipho tarik no pra hakas nong rapleng hajan latlum East Khasi Hills District hakaba palat shispa ngut tam kinwan bani shimbanta hakani kejingi ko
Chief Judge Jung ka Open Paragliding Accuracy Championship Asian League bolongru udekot ka Federation Aeronautic International FAI India urajurai habekran pekinong patay kubor uloong bagajeng temu ban penlong yang kena kop syong paraglider ha Meghalaya kalong ban kentio ya ka adventure tourism amar bakajaka kalong ka bapaka ban penlong ya kum kena gejat jengelakai rajurai ula pentip ru bakat kum ka kendon jong ka FAI kelala ban pediang tang shispa ngot ki pilot ni kinong isim benta agane kejingya kop nrei hadu menta ki dan palat shispa asau pulai ngot ki bana keleng kiri ki bala register bani sim benta bat ki bajob na kene kejingya kop kini orung syak Asian League ka banong ha Thailand ha ka senam banwan president ka Meghalaya Aero and Adventure Sports Association MAASA ubak dasman nongklau uluang bayamenta keledap ekran bat ke sorkar jela bat ke MAASA kelayok pediang arpusan lak tengka ban penlong ya kene ke championship ubak dasman nongklau ule thoru bak MAASA kedang ekran bak ke sorkar ban kentiu ka mang tengka kenang bakin lak ban penlong ya ke jingya kop ka bat job bat ban lak ban ajikai ki samla kathan jong ke jela Uloong bak MAASA ka ajihikai ya kilai pu arngut kisamla ke jela bat ikani lebih tengka daga Meghalaya Skill Development Society.
So these are two technically speaking there are in one game there will be two games actually. So it is Asian League also and first time it's happening in India. We'll be choosing the pilots, the Asian pilot, the Indian pilots who wants to qualify for the Asian League happening in Thailand next year, maybe January or February. I don't know the exact date. And for this event, I'm the coordinator first. I'm doing all the coordination with the main body, the FAI, and I'm the chief judge also. I'm appointed the chief judge as a chief judge for the event. And this is like I can say that we are very lucky. Like we are getting more than expected participation. Like when we got a sanction from FAI, like we had asked that maximum we will allow 100 pilots. That's like normally 100 number is hard to get for the participation. But now the registration is today 8 o'clock when I checked, the registration is at 143. And many of the pilots now they are contacting us through WhatsApp, email, direct calls that they really want to come and participate in this event. Though we have kept like we already had reached 100 day before yesterday itself. So then today, after discussion with the organizer, because organizer has to take care of the logistics, the accommodation, the food, the transport, the local transport during the competition. So they said they will be able to, they give me the go ahead. Then I asked the permission of the FAI also. Then said it's okay. Then we can, if there is a good response, then to grow this sport in India, you can definitely increase the number. So now we have increased the number to 110 and like 107 are confirmed. So, but we will not be increasing beyond 110 because it goes beyond our capacity.